Good evening, everyone. This is a very important video for the students of Cbse, those who are going to write board exam of grade 10 and 12 for this year 23 and 24. This is a 32 booklet answer booklet, and this is a front page of the every subject booklet, which need to be filled by every student before going to write the answer. I'll explain you what are the details that you need to fill and which are the columns that a student has to write. The first, as you all can see here, first is subject. If the subject is Hindi, you may write Hindi. If it is Telugu, so whatever the subject you are going to write, that subject you need to write there. Suppose if it is science, okay, so we need to write science. Then after science and subject code. Subject code, if you do not know the subject code, you need not to worry because all the details will be given in your admit card. So you need to check each and every detail, and you should fill all the details correctly. So as we know that the science code is 086, so I have written 086, and after that day, and the next third one is day and date of examination. So if it is Monday, you write Monday, and date also. Suppose if it is 20, okay, 2024, okay, so date also, and these are the details that you need to write in the third column. Then after that, medium of answering the question paper, or answering the paper. So if you have opted English, then you write English here. You need to write English. If you have opted for Hindi language, you may write Hindi, or whatever language that you have opted for the exam, that language you need to write here. And next one is code number. See, one thing you should remember, for every subject the code number will be different. So the code number of that right code number as written on the top of the question paper. So okay, this is the code number which is written on the top of the question paper. So when the question paper is given to you, you need to write the code number here, whatever the code number is mentioned on your question paper. And after that, even along with the code number, set number will also be there. So you need to write the set number. You need to bubble the set number. If it is 1, you should bubble the circle and make sure that the whatever that you are going to bubble it, that should not come out of the circle. Okay. Fine. Next one, if you are taking any supplementary answer books, okay, and number of supplementary answer books that you have used, that also you need to mention in this column, in this box. After that, if any student is having a disability, then he need to write yes. If it is not, then no. Okay, if it is yes, write yes, and make sure that it should not come out of the box. And code of disability, that code of disability also will be mentioned in the admit card. So that code also the student need to write here. And suppose if a student is taking assistance of any other person, then he need to mention, write in this box, yes or no. Or if any visually challenged person uh, is also writing the exam, then the person need to write the name of the software which is being used in this box. Okay, so these are the left part. So only these are the columns that a student need to write. So first one is subject, second one is subject code, and next day and date of exam, and medium of writing the answers, code number, set number. We need to bubble it and make sure that it should not come out of the circle, and then supplementary books in the box, and whatever you are writing the details in the box, filling in the box, make sure that it should not come out of the box. Okay, and after that, okay, these are the details of this page, left portion, and make sure that you should not write anything in this given box. Okay, Okay, nothing to be written in this box. Okay, don't write anything and don't put even any cross mark also. Okay, just leave it empty. After this, the right part, as you all can see here, the first one is candidate's name in capital letters. Okay, so there are the boxes which is provided. You need to write each a single letter in single box. In one box, one letter. My name is Prashant. So first I'll write according to the admit card you need to write. So if you are writing your initial, so write initial. After writing initial, we need to leave one box, then write the name. Okay, or else if you have surname, after writing your surname, you need to leave one box empty and then you write your full name. Okay, or middle name, whatever it is, or last name. So my name is Prashant. So after writing letter N in one box, I left one empty box, then I'm writing N after that, then P in one box, and make sure that the letter should not come out of the box. Okay, then after that, another letter in another box, R in one letter, sorry, one box, and letter A in one box, and then S in another box. Okay, and then H, every letters. Make sure that all the letters you need to write in capitals only. Then A in another box, then N in another box, T, and then H. Okay, so I have written my name, and after writing your name, you need to even bubble the letter as well. So N is given here. So circle it and make sure that it should not, like, cross the circle. Then P, so see, like that, you need to bubble all the details. Okay, all your letters, all the letters, you need to bubble it. So after that, roll number. So roll number will be given in the admit card. So whatever roll number is given, your roll number that you suppose if your roll number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in every letter, like every digit, you need to write in single box. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just is an example I'm taking. And after writing the number, again we need to bubble the circles. Okay, and again make sure that it should not cross the circle. It should not come out of the circle. Okay. So bubble it carefully and neatly. And then all the letters. Similarly, you need to bubble all the letters. After writing this, after writing your name and then bubbling the circles, then roll number again after bubbling the circles. The next one is subject code. As I told you already, science, suppose whatever subject you are writing, and subject code also will be given in the admit card. If it is science, the subject code is 086. And here also you need to write each digit in single box. So 086, and after writing the subject code again you need to bubble the number digit and make sure that it should not come out of the boundary of the circle, and then similarly 0 and then 8 and then after that 6. Okay, then center number will be given in your admit card. So write center number here. So after writing center number again you need to bubble the digits. Then again subject. So as you are writing here subject science. Okay, and the same subject, whatever subject you are writing, at the left side, same subject you need to write even in this portion also. So science, and make sure that it should not cross the box. It should not come out. The letter should not come out of the box. Okay, science. And then school number as per admit card. So school number will be given in your admit card. So you carefully uh, mention without any mistakes. Okay, right here the admit school number in this boxes which is provided here. And after that, as you all can see the roll number also. See here you are writing roll number and in digits, and here you are writing in words. Okay, so it is also given, will be given in your admit card. So in words that you need to write crore, lakhs, and in thousands. So all the details will be given in your admit card. So the same thing you can copy here. Next, after that, father or guardian's name. So you may write your father name or guardian name in this empty space. Then after writing all these details, you need to put your signature. Okay, this is a signature column. Signature space, you need to put this signature, your signature. Okay, so these are the details that need to be filled by the student. And then once again, you please make sure that and remember carefully that here in this column, and even here also, please don't write anything. Okay, please do remember nothing to be written here, just you leave it empty. Okay, and similarly, the same details even for the students who are appearing class 12 board exam. Okay, same details as I have explained for grade 10. Okay, so all the best for your exams. Thank you.